Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your footage and the graph image or PNG with transparency. This gets everything in one place. Once imported, set the project to 16, 9 and 30 FPS so motion looks consistent. Make sure your timeline shows media and overlay lanes. Next, tap the clip where the graph will appear. This is the first actionable step. You'll use overlay for positioning and media lane for background video, which keeps edits non-destructive and easy to adjust. Now place the graph as an overlay and use transform controls to position it where viewers expect to look. You want readable axes and labels. Once done, apply an animation for entrance and out for exit. Choose 0, 5 to 1, 5 seconds depending on pace so movement feels natural. If you need custom motion across the screen, split the overlay and tweak position between splits to mimic keyframes, making sure each segment flows into the next. This gives precise, smooth results without advanced tools. Finish by adding concise text labels and subtle opacity fades so the graph reads instantly. You want viewers to grasp the trend within seconds. Once satisfied, export using H.264 at 1080p and 812 Mbps to keep lines crisp without huge files. If something looks off, pause, check the overlay anchor point and exact scale values, then reapply the transform. Misalignment usually comes from different scale or anchor settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.